Hello children, I am Bhavana from Lial Public School. Today we are going to start chapter number 3 of SST, Taking Care of Our Environment. In this chapter, we will read about environment. What is environment? The objects or conditions by which one is surrounded or the natural world. For example, the land, air and water in which people, animals and plants live. And also we will read about pollution and types of pollution and ways of to reduce pollution. Let's start the chapter now. Our environment. We shall learn parts of the Earth's environment: air, water, land, plants, animals, and humans. Then the process by which our environment is damaged due to human activities in known as pollution. Pollution क्या होता है उसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. Types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. We must take steps to reduce pollution and care for our environment. हम कैसे इस pollution को कम कर सकते हैं? First is our environment. Most of the things that surround us, air, water, land, plants, animals, and humans, are parts of the Earth's environment. अर्थ के एनवायरनमेंट जो है उसके पार्ट्स क्या हैं? एयर है, वाटर है, लैंड है, प्लांट्स हैं, एनिमल्स हैं एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं. ओके, लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. इसमें हमारे जो एनवायरनमेंट के पार्ट्स हैं उनकी पिक्चर शो की गई हैं. आवर एनवायरनमेंट मस्ट बी क्लीन सो दैट वी कैन लीड अ हेल्दी लाइफ. यदि हमारा एनवायरनमेंट क्लीन होगा तभी हम एक हेल्दी लाइफ जी सकते हैं. पोल्यूशन. The process by which the Earth's environment is damaged due to human activities is known as pollution. Pollution क्या होता है? हमारा जो environment है उसको हम अपनी human activities से damage कर दें, खराब कर दें. The harmful material that cause pollution are called pollutants. जो material से हम pollution को खराब करते हैं, सारा हम जो pollute कर देते हैं atmosphere को, वो pollutant कहलाता है. There are various types of pollution such as air, water, land and noise pollution. 4 types के pollution होते हैं: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Now let's see what is environment through this video.
All right, kids, it's time for a song. We love the earth where we live. Coal, oil and gas nature did give. The bright blue sky above our head. Fish and plants in their ocean bed. Animals in the forest green. Deserts and mountains can all be seen. Let us all save our earth, for it is cared for us from our birth. That is why we love the earth. We love the earth where we live.
Okay, now air pollution. When harmful gases, dust particles, fumes and smoke are introduced into the air, they cause air pollution. Air pollution क्या होता है? जब harmful gases होती हैं, dust particles होते हैं, fumes है, smoke है, ये सब जब हमारे air में मिल जाते हैं तो air pollution होता है. Particles क्या होते हैं? A small portion of something. Smoke होता है धुआं. ये सब जब हमारे एयर में मिल जाते हैं तो वो एयर पोल्यूशन होता है. Trees help in removing harmful particles from the air. ट्रीज जो होते हैं वो एयर पोल्यूशन को कम करने में उनका बहुत अच्छा पार्ट होता है. सो कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज लीड्स टू इंक्रीज इन एयर पोल्यूशन. ट्रीज को काटना एयर पोल्यूशन को बढ़ाना होता है. पोल्यूटेड एयर हार्म ह्यूमंस, एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स, प्लांट्स एंड अदर लिविंग थिंग्स एज वेल. पोल्यूटेड एयर जो होती है वो हम सभी के लिए हार्मफुल होती है. Breathing in polluted air can make us sick. यदि हम polluted air में breathe करेंगे तो हम बीमार हो जाएंगे. Now let's see a video about air pollution.
Air pollution. We are all aware about the extent of pollution in our environment in the present times. Proper understanding of how pollution occurs and affects all the living things can help us deal with the problem of pollution in a better way. Air pollution can be defined as the addition of harmful substances called pollutants to the air. Let us see how the air gets polluted. A large number of industries work round the clock to produce things we use every day. This results in the release of a lot of smoke and harmful gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide into the air. A huge number of motor vehicles, including trucks, buses, cars, and bikes, are used by us to travel and transport goods. These vehicles burn petrol and diesel and release toxic gases and chemicals into the air. Burning crackers, burning wood and coal to cook food, and burning of garbage are other activities that release lot of smoke and pollutants into the air. Another growing cause of air pollution is the extensive cutting of trees to obtain land for agriculture and building houses. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the air, and with the loss of trees, amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is rapidly increasing. Air pollution is very harmful for all living things, including us. It causes irritation and damages the eyes and the skin. It causes respiratory diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. Long-term exposure to polluted air can also damage the brain, lungs, heart, and kidneys. Did you know that the thick layer of fog common in the winter season is often a result of combination of smoke and fog? This layer is called smog, and it causes breathing problems in children and elderly people. So how do we deal with air pollution, which we know is so dangerous? There are several ways by which we can reduce air pollution. For a start, we can walk or use a bicycle to travel to nearby places. This will help reduce the use of motor vehicles which cause pollution. Use of eco-friendly fuels like CNG that cause less pollution should be encouraged instead of petrol and diesel. Use of fuels like LPG and biogas that do not produce smoke and harmful gases should be used for cooking and heating purposes. Factories should be located far away from populated areas, and gases coming out from their chimneys should be treated before being released into the atmosphere. More and more trees should be planted, as they will help to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. We should all do our bit to prevent and reduce air pollution.
Now, water pollution. When harmful things such as garbage or waste is mixed up with water, it causes pollution. जब गार्बेज और वेस्ट जो होता है वो वाटर में मिक्स हो जाए तो वो वाटर पोल्यूशन कहलाता है. पोल्यूटेड वाटर इज डर्टी एंड इम्प्योर. पोल्यूटेड वाटर जो होता है वो डर्टी होता है, गंदा होता है और इम्प्योर होता है. इट कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, कुकिंग और क्लीनिंग आवरसेल्व्स, जिसे हम पीने में, खाना बनाने में और क्लीनिंग में यूज नहीं कर सकते. Drinking polluted water can make us sick. यदि हम polluted water पिएंगे तो हम बीमार पड़ सकते हैं. Let's see a video of water pollution.
Water pollution. Water is one of the most valuable resources provided to us by nature. We use water for so many purposes, and while doing so, we also make water very dirty. Making the water dirty by the addition of substances called pollutants is called water pollution. Let us try to learn more about water pollution and how we can reduce it. Many human and natural activities result in water pollution. Dumping garbage into water bodies is a common cause. Washing clothes, utensils, and bathing animals add dirt and detergents to the water and cause pollution. Untreated waste from factories and sewage from residential areas add toxic chemicals and waste into the water bodies. Water that is washed off from agricultural fields contains large amounts of pesticides and fertilizers that pollute the water of the nearby water bodies. Accidental spillage of oil from oil mining machines into the sea and oil-carrying ships is a growing cause of water pollution in the present times. On January 28, 2017, 2 cargo ships collided off the coast in Chennai, causing a massive oil spill into the sea. This caused a lot of damage to the aquatic plants and animals. Drinking polluted water can cause diseases like typhoid, cholera, and diarrhea. Metals like lead, mercury, and arsenic present in polluted water enter the bodies of aquatic organisms like fishes. When humans drink this water or eat the organisms living in such polluted waters, there is a high risk of lead and mercury poisoning. Arsenic poisoning causes black patches on the skin, and prolonged exposure can even cause cancer. Addition of waste and toxic chemicals to water also raises the temperature of water by many degrees. Rise in temperature alters the life cycle of many aquatic organisms, and can even kill the plants and animals living in water. Water pollution has serious effects on us and our environment. So, what can be done to reduce it? One very easy way is to educate people to stop dumping garbage, washing clothes, and bathing animals in water bodies like lakes and rivers. Waste from industries and residential areas should be treated and made free from harmful substances before being discharged into water bodies. Use of harmful pesticides and insecticides in agricultural fields must be discouraged. We too should do our duty and avoid wastage of clean water.
I hope you enjoyed and understand the chapter and videos. In next meeting, we will read about noise pollution, land pollution, and how can we reduce pollution. Thank you.